welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories, and today I'm talking about Skeem Saam, guys. Well, and Joanna, guys, ukuthi kune case ke ka Smaki yokushona kaSmaki ePendawo laphana ke kwi-Skeem Saam. So they are trying to resolve it, and it look like they are toward the end of it kule nyanga ke into ezokwenzeka, guys, ukuthi ke ubabeyile ke will make an arrest and uzobopha ke uCharles Kunutu bese ke emhlohla ngembuzo ke ngicabanga ukuthi ke uCharles Kunutu mhlambe angasakhuluma iqiniso ukuthi cha mina no Ivy Homo sasihlangene senza u1 no 2 no 3 because kahlehle abantu ababulala uSmaki ibona ngoba abafana bamshiya ke ephila. So I think guys ukuthi ke uzombopha ke bese ke ekhuluma ke iqiniso asho ukuthi wayihlangene ke no Ivy. And guys, Mr. Homo uzocela uIvy ukuthi come clean, just go to the police and tell them gore kwesahale kaSmaki that day. But ke uIvy engathi akazoyingena, but ke we later learn ukuthi ke uIvy Homo uzolahleka, uPaxton uzolahleka. So engicabanga ukuthi ke guys ababalekile abayile eMpumalanga, but uHopane will deal with them. Uzobathatha ubathumba ngiyacabanga because ke they'll be missing, and we later learn ukuthi ke ubabekile bazothola ke icrime ke eyenziwe ke uyena ke uMr uHopane. And okunye ke guys ke istoryline ke sika Mapitsi esingapheli because kuba sengazi ukuthi abasivali labona siyaqhubeka nakulenyanga guys uApril we learn ukuthi ke uMapitsi should continue ne relationship yakhe no DJ Thomas, but this time ke izinto ngazi ukuthi ke asisazohamba kahle but uzoza amkhole into order online, guys, besakaza amkhole into order because of ijealousy ke asenayo. I'm not sure ukuthi uThomas mhlawumbe usezwana noKamo or what is happening, but kwasengazi ukuthi cha relationship yabo ke iyacracker ke kakhulu ke and cha angathi akusazohamba ke kahle. I just hope you guys ukuthi mawukuthi bayahlukana kube ukuthi uThibos azange azeze ukuthi kahlehle uMapitsi bayade enzani all along, but ke guys we will hear ukuthi ke how will this story unfold. But ke truly speaking sesikhathele le storyline sika Mapitsi no DJ Thomas. We just wish ukuthi ngabe ke sesifike ke emaphithelweni ukuze ke sibone ukuthi what next, you know. Storyline lezothunje sika Mapitsi ne storyline sa Phushoko no Smaki sesi writing ngazo. They must just give us something new. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Welcome back to